Have you ever heard someone say, ChatGPT has memory now? And then someone else replies, no, that's just a context window. Sounds like the same thing. They are not. And this confusion causes people to misunderstand how modern AI actually works. In the next few minutes, you'll never confuse context window and memory again. Let's start with the biggest misconception. Context window, memory. Two completely different systems. One controls what the model can currently see, the other controls what it remembers for the future. Most people think these are just two names for the same feature. They are not. The context window is everything the AI can see right now. Your prompt, previous messages, uploaded documents, everything currently visible to the model. Memory is different. Memory survives beyond this conversation. It stores preferences, facts you have chosen to save, and information that helps personalize future chat. Think of it like your profile instead of today's conversation. Let's zoom into the context window. Every request you send gets packaged together. Your prompt, previous conversation, attached files, retrieved documents, all of it goes into one giant input before reaching the language model. But here's the important part. This space is limited. Every model has a maximum token capacity. As your conversation grows, this window gradually fills up. Eventually, older information starts getting pushed out. Now let's talk about memory. Memory isn't about today's conversation, it's about future conversation. Imagine you tell ChatGPT, I prefer concise explanation. If memory is enabled, that preference can be saved. Next week, next month, or even in a completely different chat, ChatGPT can still remember that preference. That's personalization, not context. Now compare them directly. Context window, temporary, perfect for reading long PDFs, solving coding problems, or understanding everything happening right now. But once the conversation ends, it's gone. Memory, persistent, built for preferences, personalization, and information you want the AI to reuse later. It isn't meant to store entire books or giant documents. Here's an example. You upload a 300-page PDF and ask, summarize this. That PDF lives inside the context window. It's used for this conversation only. Now imagine you also tell ChatGPT, always explain things simply. That belongs in memory because it helps every conversation, not just this one. So here's the easiest way to remember everything. Ask yourself one question. Do I need the model to understand something right now? If yes, use the context window. Or do I want the model to remember something for future conversation? Then that's memory. So here's the one line summary. Context window changes what the model sees. Memory changes what the model remembers. Once you understand the difference, suddenly features like RAG, long context models, persistent memory, and AI assistants all make a lot more sense. If this cleared up the confusion, hit the like, subscribe for more deep dives into AI, and I'll see you in the next one.